let's look at my setup. I'm using a Nucleo F446RE board. You may be able to use any other Nucleo board with some or minimal changes. You can get any other Nucleo boards as well. This board is available with many retailers starting from a price range of $15 to $40. The critical documentation that we will require is available from ST, and we will go through a few of them, especially the programming manual, STM32 Cortex M4 programming manual. We will also need the reference manual. We will use the datasheet, and we will also need to look at the Nucleo board's schematic so that we can confirm the GPIO pin that we are trying to code. Now let's take a look at my tool setup. I'm using OpenOCD. It's version 0.11. I'm using ARM GCC. It's version 11.2. And I'm using GDB as well as make. I have in front of you the version that I'm currently using. Other versions will work, but this is just for your reference. If it doesn't work, maybe updating that particular tool will help.